Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook crunchy shrimp. To begin, gather about 1 pound of large, raw shrimp, ensuring they are peeled and deveined with their tails left intact. Rinse the shrimp quickly under cold water, then critically pat each one very dry using several sheets of paper towel. This essential step prevents a soggy coating, ensuring the breading adheres perfectly and helps achieve that satisfying crispiness we are aiming for. For that signature crunch, prepare your dredging stations. Start by mixing 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper in your first shallow dish. In the second, whisk 2 large eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk. The third dish will hold about 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. This 3-step process is key to building a robust, flavorful, and incredibly crispy exterior, locking in the shrimp's natural moisture. Now, let's fry these to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower the breaded shrimp into the hot oil in small batches, ensuring you do not overcrowd the pot. Fry each batch for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are perfectly cooked through. Remove them with a slotted spoon and place on a wire rack to drain. Serve your perfectly crunchy shrimp immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best, still warm and incredibly crisp. They pair wonderfully with a squeeze of fresh lemon, offering a bright contrast to the richness. Consider a simple homemade cocktail sauce, a tangy tartar, or even a spicy sriracha mayonnaise for dipping. For sustained crispiness, always serve them on a cooling rack or a plate lined with paper towels, never directly in a covered dish, which traps steam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.